Hey everybody, this is Taylor with Gamma Edge coming at you with a market status for Wednesday, October 19th. Here's our general disclaimer. Give it a read. When you've done so, let's move on. Here we have our TQS model. Continuing off yesterday, more compression today, more indecisiveness from the market. Again, kind of sitting steady, waiting for the market to move one way or another. No kidding, right? However, this is what the model's telling us right now. Longer term, still a downtrend. Filtered tick, pretty flat day all in all. New lows, new highs, pretty flat. So again, just to reiterate, cumulative tick, very flat, trending sideways, looking for either kind of a breakout move higher or a continuation to the downside. And again, that corresponds with the choppy price action we've seen the last couple of days. We have the tick ARCX model. Again, um, pretty indecisive, choppy, compressing, right against the shorter term moving average ribbon. All of our signals are turned off. Longer term trend is still lower. So again, this is in the context of a downtrend, longer term choppiness again. Here we have our SPY Gamma dashboard. Over here, price again drawn on here. This morning, 375 was a large gamma level to the upside. Again, just the magnitude isn't huge. However, a lot of options are sitting here. Big liquidity zone. Sure enough, we saw price reject here early in the early on the open. Trade down just below another significant gamma level of 370 down to 368. Again, a lot of chop sideways. Corresponds with the tick that we saw earlier. Really no decisive break one way or another. Again, so looking at tomorrow, again, you got your range from 370 to 375, although I believe the market's going to open higher, given post-market action, I think what Netflix or something reported, potentially open around this 380. So again, kind of set up with 375 today, 380, significant level looking at tomorrow. Here we going over the price charts real quick. We got the SPY hourly chart. Not a ton to say here on this time frame, kind of operating in the kind of middle of the range. Not the most ideal place to be operating. Ideally, we'd be looking to size risk kind of at one of the extremes or the other. However, we are here right now. So yeah, key levels are drawn out, both TA based and gamma based. So good things to keep in mind as we zoom in closer. So here we have the 5-minute chart. Again, 375 was the key to gamma level today. Saw rejection early in the session, traded down 368. This is not necessarily a gamma level 368. However, you can see the significance of it from the trade 2 days ago was a prior day high. You can't tell me this is not a significant level just given the price interaction we've seen here now for 2 consecutive days. Sorry. So again, tomorrow expecting to open around this 380 level. So again, kind of looking to see how price interacts with this level. If we do trade down, 375 market past couple weeks, if you haven't noticed, tendency to gap up one direction, fade the opposite direction. Maybe we get the same action tomorrow, maybe we don't. Lastly, here just hitting on a quick kind of analysis of today's trade. Again, trading up to 375. A standard kind of thing I've noticed last couple of weeks, anchor a VWAP to when we have a gap up day, anchor it to high of the day. Typically a first back test of that VWAP is typically a good either short or long. If it gaps up higher, good shorting opportunity, gaps down lower, good potential long opportunity would be sizing this against 375. So again, good risk reward with a target down here at the key level at 368. Again, this was prior day's high. See that move a lot. Then we get chopped back and forth. Potential longs down here against 368. You had another anchored VWAP from the gap up yesterday as support 2 times, both good long opportunities. Profit would be towards this midpoint. Again, this midpoint is this significant TA level here. Again, a lot of price interaction. Cannot tell me that's not a significant level. And then from there we break higher. Really no trade to be had after this after this long opportunity off the low. So again, just a couple different trading setups we had in the context of TA, tick, and our gamma. So yeah, if you guys found that useful, gammaedge.us, free 2-week trial, you can find us there. Again, we do analysis like what we just did there, talking in voice, talking in chat for most of the session, most days. Um, Additionally, all the tools turned on for you guys. What we talked about in this presentation, we also have some 3D surface modeling that we just introduced and several more things. So yeah, with that, lastly, like and subscribe. We greatly appreciate that. It helps us get to 1,000 subscribers, reach more people, whatnot. So yeah, good luck tomorrow, y'all, and I'll be talking to you tomorrow night. Okay, bye.